Hello and welcome to rounding. In this video you will learn how to make estimate version of numbers. What are numbers used for? Basically, numbers are used for representing amounts of things or quantities. For example, the number of students in a classroom, weight of a flour bag, or maybe the lift force exerted on an airplane. Try to count the number of birds in this picture. Okay, forget about that. Suppose that the exact amount is 438. If I round it to nearest 10, it will be 440. And if I round it to nearest 100, it will be 400. Anyway, the last two are estimate versions of the exact amount. What is estimation used for? You may not need too much precision. Sometimes rounded values are easier to do calculations with. And we cannot repeat decimal digits in irrational numbers forever. In such cases, we may use estimation and we have to round the numbers. What is rounding again? As I told you, making less precise version of a number is called rounding. For example, suppose that this is the original number and estimate version of that may be like this. As you see in this case, the last three digits have been substituted for 0. My question is this: should I do the same thing in all similar cases? It depends. It depends on the level of precision you need. How many digits are important for you? Sometimes just the last right digit is substituted for 0. Sometimes the last two are substituted for 0. Should we ignore digits? Yes, in rounding, we ignore some digits. Should we put zeros instead? Yes, but pay attention. It has some elegant points. Let's have a review on the structure of a number. A number is made of digits and number places, sometimes with a decimal point. Here, this is the number place of ones, here is the number place of tens, here is the number place of hundreds, and on the right side, I will have the number place of tenths, the number place of hundreds, and the number place of thousands. Number places could be occupied by digits. As a general rule for rounding, suppose that you are here and out of fuel. Your journey is to the right. If you are in the halfway or ahead, we recommend to continue to get the next gas station. This is named rounding up. If you are before the halfway, we recommend to go back. And so this is rounding down. The rounding process is started by specifying the target number place. It means that you have to specify the rounding is gonna be to which number place. For example, suppose that the rounding is gonna be to the nearest tenth. So we will concentrate on the number place of tenths. If it is done to the whole number, so you will concentrate on the number place of ones. If it is done to the nearest 10, so you will concentrate on the number place of tens. And when it is done to the nearest 100, you will concentrate on the number place of hundreds. Likewise, if it is done to the nearest 1000, you will concentrate on the number place of thousands. Okay. Let's round 4,672 to the nearest 10. As you know, my target number place is tens, so I will concentrate on 72. You should remove the 2, because 2 is in the number place of ones and it's not important for me. So the nearest tens to 72 will be 70, and if you add it by 10, you will get 80. 80 and 70 are both the nearest tens to 72. Pay attention, according to the famous example of a gas station, if you are in the halfway and ahead, you will round it up. Halfway here between 70 and 80 will be 75. 72 is smaller than 75, so you are before the halfway. You will round it down. So 72 will be rounded down to 70. And I put 46 before to get 4,670. Let's consider the rounding on number line. Suppose that the given value is 1,823. Okay. If I'm gonna have the rounding to the nearest 10, I will concentrate on 23. The nearest tens to 23 will be 20 and 30. So the before and after values will be 1820 and 1830. Of course, the nearest 10 to the given value, as the given value is before the halfway, will be 1820. I will round it down. If the rounding is gonna be to the nearest 100, the before and after stations will be 1800 and 1900. So again, I will take the previous station. It will be rounding down again. The answer will be 1800. If my target number place is thousands, so the nearest 1000 will be 2000 and 1000. In this case, the given value is after the halfway. So we will go ahead and we will get the next gas station. The answer will be 2000. Round 45,342.83 to nearest tenths. Okay, pay attention, my target number place is tenths and 8 is the digit occupying that number place. So let's put 0.83 here on the number line. If you remove 0.83 from the original number, it could be like this: 45,342.00 plus 0.83. Okay, if you concentrate on 8 as the digit occupying the number place of tenths, 3 is an extra digit. So I will remove it and then write the previous gas station as 0.80. Nearest tenths means you have to add 0.1, which is 1/10 to 0.80 to get the next gas station 0.90. Anyway, 0.83 is closer to 0.80, so it's rounded down. Here 0.83 is substituted for 0.80, and the answer is 45,342.80 as the value rounded down to the nearest tenths. Round 45,342.96 to nearest 1. My concentration is on number place of ones, so 2.96 is something I will put on the number line. Pay attention, if I remove 2.96 from the original number, it will be 45,340.00 plus 2.96. 2.96 has 2 as the digit occupying the number place of ones and 96 as extra part. So I will remove 96 and I will get the previous gas station as 2. If I add it by 1, because I'm looking for nearest 1, so I will add 1 to 2 to get the next gas station as 3. 2.96 is closer to 3, so it's rounded up. I will substitute 2.96 for 3, and then the answer will be 45,343.00 as the value rounded up to the nearest one. Round 45,346 to nearest 10. Nearest 10 means you have to concentrate on the number place of tens. I will remove 46 from the original number and then I put it here. 45,300 plus 46 will give you the original number. In the 46, 6 is extra digit. It's in order of ones. So I should remove it and substitute 6 for 0 to get 40 as the previous gas station. If I add 10 by 40, I will get the next gas station 50. 46 is after the midway, after the halfway. So the next gas station will be 50, the nearest 10 to 46. 46 will be substituted for 50, and then the answer will be 45,350 as the rounded up value. Round 99,996 to nearest 10. This is a very, very important case. Okay. We will concentrate on this 9 as the digit occupying number place of tens. So I put 96 on the number line. I remove 96 from the original number as usual, and I write it as 99,900 plus 96. 96 will have the previous gas station as 90 and the next gas station as 100, you know. Anyway, 96 is closer to the next gas station, so it's rounded up. I will substitute 96 for 100. And so, as you see, the answer will be 100,000. The rounding has been affected all the previous digits. So it's very, very important. Round 45,346 to nearest 100. Here the concentration is on 3 as the digit occupying number place of hundreds. So I will put 346 here on the number line. Okay, if I remove this value from the original number, it will be 45,000 plus 346, and so this is the original number. 346 will have the previous gas station as 300 because 46 is extra for me. I will remove it. And then if I add it by 100, I will get 400 as the next gas station. 346 is before the halfway, so it's rounded down to 300. If I substitute 346 for 300, the answer will be 45,300 as the value rounded down. The last example is this. Round 45,346 to nearest 1,000. 5 is the digit occupying my target number place of thousands. So I put it here, 5,346 on the number line. Pay attention, if I remove it from the original number, it will be 40,000 plus 5,346. 346 will be extra part for me, so I will remove it and substitute it for 0. Then the previous gas station will be 5,000. If I add it by 1,000, because I'm looking for nearest 1,000, so if I add it by 1,000, I will get the next gas station as 6,000. 5,346 is before the halfway, so it's rounded down. Here I will substitute 5,346 for 5,000, and so the answer will be 45,000 as the value rounded down to the nearest 1,000. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to push the like button and subscribe.